Parents, why your teens don't listen to you and how to change it. Parents, do you know why your teenagers does not listen to you? The reason is that there is no connection between you and them. When you are their friends, it's easy to flow. But let me tell you the bitter truth. At this stage, it's the third party they prefer to listen to. If you don't get it right early at the basic stage, you will lose it at the intermediate stage. The basic stage is when they are infants. At infants, you have every time an opportunity to bond and connect with them. If they don't know you to be their friend at infants, it will be very hard to connect with them at teenagers. You cannot just plant a seed and you expect it overnight to grow. It's the same thing with relationship. Relationship is built and it takes time and maturity. I can't say you are my friend, I know nothing about you. Another thing is that most parents know nothing about their teenagers. You don't know their likes, you don't know their dislikes, you don't know what they like, you don't even know their friends. This makes them feel as if they are strangers when they are with you. They don't know the right conversation to have with them. And most time, they feel your conversation is odd for them. So it does what? It makes them pull out from you. Another reason is that you are so attached to them. At this stage, they want independency. A lot of things is going through their mind. They are struggling with the world of their own. They are trying to know what person they are. And you invaded on their space. You are only doing what's clutching them. You are not giving them the space to breathe. So what it does then is pull you up out from them. They need their privacy. I didn't say leave them to go astray, no. Allow them to behave and see them as adults. If you continue to see them as the baby they were, you will have issue connecting with them. Once you respect their privacy, once you set boundaries, it even makes them to grow independently without you having too much attachment with them. Do you know what it will do? It will make them to have two faces, meaning when they are with you, they have a different personality. When they are not with you, they have another personality. Meaning that when they are with you, they will try to put up the personality they believe you like. But when they are not with you, they put on their real self because you are trying to get too attached to them. You make them lose themselves. Parents, allow them to be. Get to understand their personality. Get to know their likes and dislikes. You might not like what they like. It may look awkward. It may look odd. Why is it that my son likes football? Why don't he like reading? And what makes you to be sure that the child don't read? You never can tell. So get to understand their personality. Accept it and find a way to correct it. Don't judge them, no, but accept who they are and find how to navigate to understand their personality and work out things you don't like. Another thing is that you assume you know, but they believe you know nothing. It's strange how parents think they know everything, but the teenager assume mommy and daddy know nothing. Sometimes come down to their level and get to know what they know. We are in the stage of tech. A lot of things is going on in the tech stage. You don't even know what is going on in the tech stage. Then instead, humble yourself to get to know who they are.